Hi, and welcome back to the Fidget Finder. Today we're unboxing this from Fidget Toys Plus. Be sure to follow Mrs. Bench's social media pages linked below. In this video, we won't be doing any of the fidget factors. Instead, I'll just be showing you everything inside the package. Speaking of package, how cool does this reflective packaging look? Oh, here we go. Let's find out what's inside. Included in the package is this pamphlet showing Fidget Toys Plus and Mrs. Bench's logo. It also shows her links for her social media pages, which I'll be sure to link down below in the description. Now, let's take a look what we have. Here we have a green mesh and marble fidget. And here's a yellow one. This is a green popper ball. Here we have a brown squirrel in a cup. There he is. One magic puzzle ball. A green and yellow color changing ball. 3 acupressure rings. A stretchable banana. A stretchy pepper. A green stretchy dough ball. A pig eraser that was also free, included with the package. A mini green snake fidget toy. Green and pink wacky tracks. A yellow finger exercise / massage ball. 2 bean pod keychains. Last but not least, a circle rainbow squeeze and pop toy. Let me know in the comments below which I should review first. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.